Swingler here at 1205 Lawrence Drive, the future home of Thrive Grove Navigation Center. This project is made possible not only through city investment, but also through state encampment resolution grant funding, as well as contributions from the County of Ventura. The Thrive Grove Navigation Center is a referral-based temporary housing facility to support our local residents experiencing homelessness. When the site is up and running, it will also include basic amenities, including showers, laundry facilities, gathering space, a dog run, and more. The site will also include on-site services, including individualized case management to help our residents get back on their feet. Construction started in June. Behind me, you can see workers pouring concrete for the retaining wall, which will help stabilize the overall foundation. Over the next few weeks, we'll see a lot more activity, including the installation of underground utilities. Construction is expected to end at the end of January 2025, and we hope to welcome our first residents in need soon thereafter.